Hello everyone. My name is Ria Rahul Chaudhary. I am back again with a new video on another new concept of mathematics. Right now I'm pursuing my BA from AGS College of Education, and let's move on to our today's topic. So today's topic is mastering integers, simplifying math for everyone. So from the topic itself, we get to know that we'll be going through some basic concepts of the integers for which will be helpful for our day-to-day life. So first, we'll begin with, as usual, the history of the given topic. Like based on the concept of integer, there is a small history. So here the integers is a fundamental concept in mathematics which is originated from the need to represent quantities like debts or losses alongside positive whole numbers. The earliest records of negative numbers date back to ancient China, where they were used in bookkeeping. Indian mathematician Brahmagupta in the 7th century formalized rules for arithmetic operations involving negative numbers. European mathematicians, however, were slow to adopt negative numbers, viewing them with suspicion until the 17th century, when their utility in equations became more evident. Today, integers, which include positive numbers, negative numbers, and zero, form a crucial part of number theory and algebra. So this actually gives us a brief history of the integers that earliest it first took place in the ancient China, then to India, and later it been seen and evolved in the European mathematicians. So this is the content for our today's session. First is the definitions. Second is the addition and subtraction of integers. Third is the successor and predecessor of integers. And fourth is the conclusion. So, first, the definition. What is positive integer? In short, what is a positive numbers? Numbers greater than zeros are called positive numbers. Do remember, number greater than zeros are called positive numbers. They are on the right hand side of zero on the number line. So, they are being represented on the right hand side of the zero. And here are some examples. 3, 7.5, and 15. Negative integer, in short, negative numbers. Numbers less than 0 are called negative numbers. They are on the left side of the 0 on the number line. Example, -2, -8.5, and -10. Then integers. Integer include all whole numbers, both positive and negative, along with 0. For example, -5, 0, and 12. Positive integers. Integers that are greater than 0 are called positive integers. These are essentially the positive whole numbers. Then come what is negative integers. Integers that are less than 0 are called negative integers. And they are the negative whole numbers which are denoted to the left hand side of the given left hand side of the 0. Examples are -1, -6, and -50. So here is a small way of how you can summarize the concept of integers along with the number line. So here integers has been segregated into two types, negative numbers and whole numbers. Negative numbers are the numbers which are written on the left hand side of the 0. Whole numbers, including 0, is written to the right hand side of the 0. So here 0, whole number consists of two, 0 and natural numbers. Natural numbers are the numbers starting from 1 and infinity. Now comes the number line. Number line is nothing but the integer, which is the combination of 0, positive, negative numbers. Positive integers are written to the right hand side of the zeros. Negative integers are written to the left hand side of the zero. And zero is neither positive nor negative. Now comes the steps to find addition of two integers. So addition of integers consider of two steps. First one is same sign. If the given question have the same sign, if both integers have the same sign, both positive or both negative, add their absolute values and keep the common sign. Then comes for the different signs. If the integer have different signs, subtract the smaller absolute value from the larger absolute value and take the sign of the integer with the larger absolute value. So now here examples based on these steps. So here example 1, 7 plus 5, both are positive. It means we will add and we'll get the answer 7 plus 5 as 12. Now see in the second example, one is minus 8, one is minus 3. So here add the absolute values of both the numbers as both are negative. So 8 plus 6 we know 11 and put the minus sign as of both. You will get the answer as minus 11. Then example 3 minus 6 plus 9 both have the different sign. So the solution will be subtract the smaller absolute value from the larger. It means 9 minus of 6, you will get 3 and take the sign of the larger number. Here larger number is 9 which have a value positive, so you'll get the answer as positive 3. Example 4, 4 plus of minus 7. Different sign solution. So subtract the smaller absolute value from the larger. You'll get 7 minus of 4 is 3. And take the sign of the larger value negative. So 4 plus of minus 7, you'll get answer as minus 3. Now comes the steps to find the subtraction of two integers. Subtraction of integers, it means to change to addition. Here, subtraction of an integer is the same as adding its opposite. Convert the subtraction problem into an addition problem. Now follow the addition rules. It means here after converting, you will use the rules of addition to solve. Then comes the examples here, 9 minus of 4. Normally you can subtract since both are positive. You will get 9 minus of 4 as 5. Here example 2, you have minus 6 minus of minus 3. So here first change the subtraction to addition. So it becomes minus 6 of minus minus plus and you'll get the answer as minus 6 of plus 3. Now, using the different signs, so you'll need to subtract and 6 minus of 3, you get 3. But bigger number sign you put in the final answer, so the final answer will be minus 3. Now, example 4, minus 5 minus 8. So here, first we will change the subtraction to addition. So minus 5 minus 8 becomes minus 5 plus of minus 8. Now both are negative. So add the absolute values. 5 plus of 8, you will get 13. And keep the negative sign of the bigger number, which is minus 5 plus minus 8. You will get the answer as minus 13. Always remember in the final answer, you'll put the sign of the bigger value. It means here 8 is the bigger one. It has negative sign, so the answer will have minus 13 as a final answer. Example 5, 0 minus of minus 4. So first change the subtraction to addition. So it becomes 0 minus of minus 4 gives you 0 plus of 4. Solution 0 plus of 4 is equals to 4. There come some extra questions for revision for all of you based on both the steps we have gone through. First step was based to find the addition of the integer, and second was the steps to find the subtraction of the given integers. Do practice well using the steps been shown to you with the help of the following examples. Then the next topic is successor and predecessor. So the steps to find the successor and predecessor of integers. First, successor. Successor of any integer is the number that comes immediately after it on the number line. To find the successor, add 1 to the given integer. So do remember, to find the successor to the given question, add 1. Predecessor. The predecessor of any integer is the number that comes immediately before it on the number line. To find the predecessor, subtract 1 from the given integer. So from the given question, you will subtract 1 from the given integer. Now here are some examples related to the successor and predecessor. Using those steps, it will be helpful to solve the given example. So here in example 1, the number is 7. Do remember, successor means plus 1. So 7 plus 1, it gives you answer 8. So 8 is the successor of 7. Predecessor. So predecessor was what? On the original question, subtract 1. So minus 1, you get 6. Same way, example 2, minus 4 you have. Rule is what? Plus 1. Minus plus minus 4 minus 1, you get 3, bigger number sign minus of 3. Predecessor minus 4 minus 1 minus minus plus 4 plus 1 5, bigger number sign minus 5. Example is 0, successor 0 plus 1 gives you 1. Predecessor 0 minus 1 gives you minus 1. Example 4, 12. Successor 12 plus 1 is equals to 30. Predecessor 12 minus 1 gives you 11. Example 5, minus 9. Successor minus 9 plus 1 minus plus minus 9 minus 1, 8, bigger number sign is negative. Predecessor minus 9 minus 1 minus minus plus positive 10, but the bigger number sign is minus minus 10. Example 600. Successor 100 plus 1, 101. Predecessor 100 minus 1 is, it gives you 99. So this gives an idea how predecessor and successor of a given number can be found out. Now comes the conclusion to the topic. So here in conclusion, mastering integers is essential for building a strong foundation in mathematics, as they play a crucial role in various mathematical operations and real-life applications. Understanding positive, negative numbers as well as their addition, subtraction, and relationship help simplify complex calculations with clear explanation and practical examples. Learning integers become approachable and engaging for everyone. By grasping these concepts, students can tackle more advanced topics with confidence. Ultimately, mastering integer enhances problem-solving skills and prepares learners for success in future math challenges. So, with this, I'll just overlook with the concept again. So, we have gone through with the content part where we have seen more different definition. Second was the addition and subtraction of integer. Third was the successor and predecessor of integers, and last was the conclusion to overall concept. I hope so you have understood the definition through the diagram way, examples, and do practice these extra questions. And hope so you have liked the video. Thank you everyone for watching it. Thank you.